Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and into another video. I do hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I just wanted to pop on here real quick and share another restocking of my refrigerator and pantry, just to get us a little bit ahead of the game when it comes to the work week and the school week. I find it way easier to go ahead and just get this stuff ready to go on the weekend. It makes for a simple transition, also a lot easier to deal with making lunches, making dinners, after school snacks, grabbing drinks, all the things for football games, and all the after school activities that my kids do. This just makes my life so much easier throughout the week, and I get to spend more time with my family and less time getting stuff ready to go. So without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead and pop some music on for you guys, and we're going to rock through this video, and hopefully I can give you guys some inspiration. So I hope you guys enjoy it. just like that, guys, we have gotten all of our refrigerator and all of our pantry lunchbox supplies ready to go. I am now just refilling up my laundry containers and getting them ready. These jars I got at Walmart, like in the party supply section. They are meant for like drinks and juices and things like that. But I figured, hey, why not put my laundry soap and softener in them? So that's what I did. They cost me about $5. The smaller ones I think cost me about $4. So not a bad price to have it all set up and ready to go. You literally just put your cap to your laundry detergent or laundry softener underneath the spigot and pour it out. Nothing to it, but it makes my job a little bit easier and makes my life go by a little bit faster, giving me more time to spend with my family. But anyway, guys, I really do hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new here, if you would please consider subscribing before you go, I greatly appreciate it. I hope you guys find this video interesting and maybe inspirational to, get ahead of the game when it comes to work week if you guys are busy like I am. All right. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, guys, I hope you guys give yourself a little bit of grace and, yeah, give yourself a little bit of patience and get ready for the work week. And we will see you guys in my next video. Bye.